Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the wallpaper section, and here you can change your wallpapers. You have a lot of pre-installed wallpapers on your device. You can also select one of the online wallpapers. There are plenty of them to choose. And you can also set your own image as a wallpaper. From the gallery, you just go here to the local photos, albums, and select your photo. Then you have to adjust it, and then tap apply. And then you have to select if you want to set it on lock screen, on whole screen, or on both. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.